ride on your disco stick. Let's have some fun. This beat is sick. I wanna take a ride on your disco stick. I wanna kiss you, but if I do, then I might miss you, babe.
What's good, YouTube? It's boy Damon back with another video. And today we're gonna take out the M3 competition xDrive, but we're gonna put it in rear-wheel drive today. We're gonna be doing a lot of donuts and have a lot of fun with the car. You feel me? It's a nice fucking sunny day. I believe today is Labor Day or whatever the case is, but we were just working on the computer doing some work and shit. But we're gonna take out the M3 and just have some fun with it. You know what I'm saying? I haven't really break this car in, bro. I do a couple of donuts or whatever, but today we're gonna actually do practice and also just have fun. You feel me? So as I can see, I haven't drove it today. Let me give y'all a little cold start real quick so y'all can hear what it sounds like. It's currently stock. I just got a single mid pipe on it. I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm outside. You feel me? So let's get it. What's good, y'all? So right now I'm over here in Brickell, as y'all can see, beautiful Brickell. We're gonna be going a little bit crazy in the M3 today. So what I did so far is I put the fucking M1 in rear-wheel drive. I'm trying to put it up for y'all boys. So this is what I usually do, bro. I just have M1 for rear-wheel drive, bro. So you know that shit is in rear-wheel drive. We're gonna go crazy. We're gonna be doing a lot of donuts, a lot of drifting and all that shit today. Basically, this is just a practice for me, you feel me? I'm just practicing doing all that shit, so I'm gonna go crazy. Hey, that's one thing I really like about Miami. I mean, Florida in general. Shit was raining today, bro. Shit was like a fucking storm. And now look at the place, bro. Fucking dry. And I was expecting to be doing drifting and doing a lot of donuts in the rain, bro. And the place is fucking dry, but I guess we're gonna have to burn some tires. I guess we're gonna have to burn tires. So I'm gonna go to a spot and then from there we're gonna be going crazy, you feel me? Go to the spinning spot and they're hoping to just be doing a lot of donuts and shit. Alright, y'all, so if y'all in Miami, y'all should know the spot that I'm going to. I see a lot of people that go here, honestly, but I know that there'd be a lot of people there and a lot of cops there and shit, but it doesn't matter to me. If they're there, then we'll just go to a different spot. If they're not, then we're just gonna have some fun. You feel me? So that being said, just gonna head over there, pretty much. Feel me? Parking my shit right here. As y'all can see, we're currently over here at this abandoned, I believe it's a stadium for boats or whatever the case is. But as y'all can see on the floor, yo, we got mad tire marks on the floor and shit. We got this nigga over here that's racing himself and all that shit. It's a female, obviously. So we're over here right now. Got my beautiful M3. Right now, we're finna doing a little donuts and shit, test the car out, and you know, have a little fun. So for these cones right here, I don't know why the fuck the cones are over there. So I'm just gonna take them shit and just spin around that shit right over here, bro. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, y'all, so basically we had to leave from that spot because cops pulled up and shit. We was out. So right now we're gonna go to a different spot. And then hopefully we can get some better clips. You feel me? So we're on our way over there right now, so let's get it. What the fuck? Yo, that's crazy. Park ranger, bro. Go, bro. Bro, but like for some reason, yo, it's so fucking hot. I didn't spend it good for some reason. Yeah, I think he wants to smoke or no. What the fuck? Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, we went a little bit crazy in the G80 today. I hope y'all do like this type of video, and make sure to like the video and comment what video ideas y'all want me to make, you feel me? So this is what the car is looking like right now. The car is super dirty right now. Probably gonna that's crazy, yo, what the fuck? That's gay as fuck. But yeah, like I said, I'm probably gonna wash the car now. Fuck. But yeah, like I said, hope y'all do like the video, and make sure y'all like and subscribe. We're going up from here, you feel me? So like and subscribe, and I will be making more videos like these, you feel me? So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.